Be blessed by the divine. To start with, let us take the example of food. Every day, millions of cells, molecules, and atoms are going out from the body due to the Earth's gravity and the movement of the body. As a result, several pockets in the structure become vacant. This loosens the muscles and the nerves. All the vacant zones have to be refilled from the molecules contained in food. The storehouse for food in the body is the stomach, and for all the aforesaid vacant places, supplies are taken in only in the stomach. The attractive force of vacant places in the body is felt only in the stomach as appetite or hunger. For the purpose of digesting the food and processing it for distribution to all parts of the body, the stomach secretes hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is in a specifically diluted form so that it dissolves the food. When the stomach experiences hunger, food should be taken at the proper time, filling the stomach. If one neglects hunger and keeps the stomach empty, what will happen? Without the substitution of fresh molecules in the vacant places, the body will become weak. If food is denied for a longer time, the corrosive hydrochloric acid will erode the mucous membrane in the stomach, and this will eventually result in an ulcer. This is an example of the harm that comes from neglect of proper food habits. Every individual has a particular capacity to digest food. When a person consumes more than the quantity he can digest, then he allows the food to remain in the stomach and ferment. The body will not be able to obtain its requirements from food that is undigested. The undigested food will also disturb the natural functions of the intestines and colon. Loose motion and vomiting will occur. This is an example of overindulgence in food. Everyone is accustomed to certain kinds of food on a regular basis in their diet. Only such food can be digested easily and absorbed well by the cells of the body. If one suddenly changes the kind of food one is accustomed to, the stomach will not be able to digest the input as usual. The body cells will also find it hard to absorb the new variety. If the stomach and body cells are to accept the new type of food, the changeover should be gradual and graded. Any sudden change of food from rice to wheat or from vegetables to meat or vice versa should be avoided. It is in this manner that neglect, overindulgence, and improper food habits disturb the body functions and affect the flow of biomagnetism in the body. When the polarity of atoms, molecules, and cells in the body is disturbed and the biomagnetism gets short circuited, then the result is not only pain and diseases, but the disturbed polarity of cells leaves an imprint. Later on, the same disturbance will repeatedly tend to occur. That is why, in taking food, we have to follow regularity and moderation. Be blessed by the divine. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com to begin your journey of consciousness today.